So it's last year in November of 2021 when this whole place was locked down for COVID. It was like a medical facility. They had places sectioned off for arrivals. You went into a booth and got your nose swabbed by a medical professional, so to speak. And then you waited to see if you came back clear. And then once you came back clear, you went off to a government-approved quarantine hotel for 3 days. You stayed there for 3 days. They brought you food. And at the end of that 3 days, they swabbed your nose again. And if you came back clear, you got to leave and go explore Indonesia. But here I am again today in 2026. Right now I'm waiting for a taxi to my next hotel near the train station, Gambir train station. Stay in a hotel tonight, and then tomorrow catch a train down to Yogyakarta. We're gonna do the first class luxury compartment in the train. We'll see how that goes. $100, so. This is my first stay. I got off the plane yesterday. I booked this place. I had a special credit on my credit card for hotels and whatnot. It's the Chase Sapphire Reserve. So I booked a little above my normal means, but I did not realize how fancy this place was going to be. So I wanted to show you this room that I got, probably roughly $250 a night, which I'm only staying here one night, but I had a credit and I had to use it in one shot. So I said, why not? But here we go. First room is the powder room. This is one of those crazy Asian toilets. It's like you walk in, the toilet says, hello, welcome, and automatically rises up, senses you're there. They have this thing on the wall which tells you all the things, and you're like, I want to stand in peace, so I can hit that, and that lifts up for you too. One of the best parts is it's heated too. That seat is super warm. If you can set the temperature, super warm. It's got all types of bidet things for your bum. It's got a dryer for your bum when you're done squirting with the bidet. Just crazy. The water temperature you can control, massage spray, spiral, wind, pressure. It's ridiculous what you can control in this thing. So I could close the seat. Automatically flush. Close the top seat. That toilet has more features than anything in my house. The toilet light comes on when it's dark out. How wild is that? So here we go with the welcome room. Sorry, I wanted to film before I got here and made this place a mess, but I've made it a mess. So here we are. I'm filming when I've already dirtied it up. There's a bathroom over here with that and a tub. And there's a bathroom over here with a nice shower, got a rain head, all types of amenities. Here's the room. TV, it looks like a fireplace, king size bed, all my stuff and stuff everywhere. Little coffee bar, amazing view out to Jakarta, the city of Jakarta. So yeah, there is the room. Little coolant refrigerator here for refreshments and whatnot. You name it. Plenty of places to charge your stuff, ironing board. Today, check out at noon. You gotta get to Gambir station and we'll be taking our luxury first class ride. 7 hours down to Yogyakarta. And yeah, we'll see what that looks like. I'm anxious to see this first class ride. It's like a closed compartment. Leaving Park Hyatt Hotel in Jakarta. I'm in a taxi now, heading to Gambir train station. So the journey goes train station to Yogyakarta, and then from Yogyakarta, after a visit there in the temples, we will go to our homestay in Pandangara. Wait, what is it? What's the name? Majinglak. Go to our homestay. It's Kanati Homestay, and something really cool is the owner of the homestay, Kanati, has decided to join me herself. Traveling this journey, between her and her family, they guide tourists around. Her uncle guides tourists around all the time, so she offered to help show the way, and she'll be joining us for the journey from Jakarta to Yogyakarta, over to Majinglak.
Yes.
Majinglak. All right, thank you, brother.
I think we put here.
Okay. All right. Okay. But I have to get the tickets first. Oh yeah, right there. Kai. There's a cat. Hello.
Yep.
It's e-ticket.
Okay. It's for today or?
Yeah, for today.
The pass from here at 5, you can go to the you can access the lounge, yeah.
Okay, excellent.
Lounge on the first floor, the departure, the train on the second floor.
Okay, lounge is on first floor, train's on second.
Yep, that's
Where's
all.
the-
You just need to show that ticket and your passport on the left side and go up.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
All right.
Have a nice day, yeah.
Thank you. Yes, we can go to the.
Okay.
Yep. All right, we got our tickets. Go to the lounge now. You want a ticket? How's this work? What am I doing? Okay.
Gajayana ya? Gajayana jam 5 baru bisa masuk.
All right. Thank you. No, they said so. The train is up there, but our lounge is on the first floor, somewhere here.
You want me to ask security?
Yes, yes.
Jam berapa? Maaf. Gimana nanti di lantai 1 di Suri Lodge.
Oh, di situ lounge.
Iya, nanti katanya di lantai 2 ada ya.
Oh, nanti.
The lounge is up there? Oh, they told me the lounge was on 1. That's okay, get next one. Oh, they have the music in here loud as shit.
It's the traditional.
Traditional? Right. That's cool.
No, it's one.
Oh, it's 1? Oh, okay. We're on G. That makes sense. So lounge on 1, train on 2.
One.
Train on 1 also?
Yes. Train is two.
That's what I said. Lounge on 1, train on 2. Excuse me?
Kamu turun dulu.
Yeah.
Ya, silakan.
Sorry.
Ya, sini lewat.
Wait, excuse me. Thank you.
Bisa dibantu untuk
Lounge.
Can I check your ticket?
It's
Sorry.
here.
Okay.
Ya. Oke.
Okay, thank you.
Bisa. Nanti berangkat jam 5 bisa naik ke atas jam 4.40.
Oh, here we go. See a luxury lounge. All right, thank you, sir.
You want to see the music?
I'm okay. Okay. This is more like it. The luxury lounge. The air conditioning and not all the crazy music. What's that? I'm taking video now. You are now part of the journey. Kanaji's now part of the journey. Thank you, sir.
Pleasure.
Oi. Now leaving the premium lounge to the madness of an Indonesian train station.
We take lift there.
What's that?
Live, live.
Oh, we go there?
Yeah.
Okay. Traditional Vietnamese music, loud as shit in the train station. Kanati, is this normal? The madness of an Indonesian train station. Seems like pure chaos out there, but it's fun, I like it.
Gerbong berapa? Aja. Pencet bos.
Say exclusive.
Which one, Oi.
Oh, compartment belakang. Iya,
Okay,
compartment.
thank you.
Oke.
Aja turun udah sampai.
Easy. Guess we're up front in the special car. Hopefully. Hey. That one go.
Untuk barang bawaannya berdasarkan kami simpakan di bagasi. Dari itu selanjutnya diantar dengan rekan saya dan kalau di dalam untuk seatnya 1A dan 1B. Untuk kopernya tidak apa-apa di sini saja.
Okay.
Oke, I can help you, Mister.
Oh, thank you.
Oke. Untuk yang ini berkenan diletakkan di suite apa?
Minute carry. Okay. Okay.
Take video.
Yeah, take video.
Satu A, satu B.
Okay, thank you.
Satu A, satu B. Satu A, satu B.
Oh wow. Okay. This is the luxury seat. You like your luxury seat? Watch out. So, thanks to sister-in-law Jen, this journey will be called Cake on a Train. Thanks, Jen. Ah, yes. Feel like Borat. King of the castle, king of the castle.
Itu sama-sama ya.
Of course, there's all the buttons in here. There's the call button if you need somebody. This is for blinds up and down. Stop where you want it. Looks like bottles of water, headphones. And a seat with all of the things you could want. Anyway, all types of stuff. I think we have a 6 hour and 25 minutes to Yogyakarta.